Good morning, this is Feline. Today, let's talk about why detoxification is important for your hormones. Your body isn't just fighting stress and food choices, it is also battling hidden toxins messing with your balance. When the liver, kidneys, and gut get clogged, hormones go haywire. Mood swings, weight gain, fatigue, and inflammation occurs. Pero kapag nag-detox ka, they flush out hormone disruptors. They reset your system. And suddenly, clarity, energy, and balance return. Therefore, detox means organ reset equals hormonal harmony. Comment reset if you feel it's time to start fresh. I hope these health tips regarding detoxification will help us understand better. This is Feline, your health advocate queen. Please like and share. Till next video.